A buyer fills out a form on your website at 9:47 p.m. on a Thursday. She has a pre-approval letter and wants to see 3 properties this weekend, but your office is empty and you are asleep. By the time you pour your coffee and make the call Friday morning, she has already toured homes with another agent and written an offer. You leave a voicemail that will never be returned. Data from the National Association of Realtors shows that 78% of buyers work with the very first agent who responds to their inquiry. Being second is usually the same as being last. Despite that 78% requirement for speed, the average agent takes 15 hours to respond to a new online lead. That delay creates a gap where nearly every high-intent buyer is lost to a faster competitor. These lost commissions are the direct result of being unavailable during the narrow window when the prospect was ready to act. To bridge this gap, many brokerages hire an inside sales agent. The goal is to have a human sitting at a desk, ready to dial every lead within minutes. This traditional fix carries a heavy financial load. Between a $4,000 monthly salary, taxes, and management time, a single ISA can cost your business $80,000 a year. Even at that price, the math fails. This grid shows the 168 hours in a week. A human ISA covers only 40 of them, leaving a 128-hour gap where you have zero coverage. Leads arriving on a Tuesday night or a Sunday afternoon hit a wall. You are paying for a premium solution that ignores the majority of the week. Relying on a human for first-touch response leaves your marketing ROI at the mercy of a standard clock, making your business vulnerable most of the time. This vulnerability isn't unique to real estate. Recently, Monday.com eliminated its entire 100-person inbound sales team in favor of automated systems. The decision was based on the nature of the work. Early-stage qualification, checking a lead's budget or timeline, is a repetitive exercise in pattern matching. Algorithmic systems execute these patterns instantly, handling thousands of inquiries simultaneously without the fatigue or delays that limit human performance. The real estate ISA performs this exact function. Their primary value is sorting through noise to find the actual prospects, a task that is becoming increasingly automated across every industry. The role is being phased out because the task of initial qualification is a better fit for a machine than a person. An AI real estate chatbot solves the coverage problem by operating across web chat, SMS, and WhatsApp every hour of every day. When a lead clicks your ad at 2 a.m., the AI engages in under 60 seconds. It starts the conversation while the prospect is still looking at the property on their screen. The system applies the BANT logic. It identifies the prospect's budget, decision-making authority, specific property needs, and moving timeline. It scores the lead instantly. If pre-approved and looking to move within 30 days, they are tagged as a priority deal. The AI then shows your actual availability, books a showing on your calendar, and hands you a full transcript of the conversation. This removes the friction of chasing people down. You stop dialing for information and start showing houses to people who are already qualified. Most leads require multiple touches to convert, yet human agents often stop after one failed attempt. The AI executes a 90-day sequence of timed text and email check-ins, ensuring no prospect falls through the cracks. While an ISA costs $5,000 monthly, this system provides total coverage for $300. Trading a $60,000 salary for a system that responds in under 60 seconds significantly increases the number of leads you actually talk to. Burnout in this industry is rarely about a lack of effort. It's the result of spending months chasing ghosts and driving to showings for leads that were never qualified to begin with. Capturing the 78% first responder advantage is a matter of technology, not willpower. Stop losing deals to a slow response. Deploy a chatbot to qualify your leads 24/7 and focus your time on closing. Book your demo today.